So over here, you can see that I have an email, and if I were to send this to someone right here, let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and send this to my second channel account right here. I'm going to click around send, and then it says, do you want to send a message without a subject? Let me just click on send right here. The message is sent. So let's say I made a mistake, but I cannot do anything now because the message has been sent. So in order to prevent that for the future, let's say, for example, you want to have an undo option for the send, then you can enable that out. So to do that, you can go around onto the view menu and then go to view settings over here. So once you do that, under compose and reply, you can see that undo send is an option which allows you to cancel an email after you have sent it. So you can go around and it says message can be cancelled for up to 10 seconds, and you can choose how long Outlook will wait to send your messages. So it simply increases the message time right here. So you can go around over here for 5 seconds, for 10 seconds, and so forth. So let's say what I want to do is I want to go around and make it 10 seconds and then click on save over here. So once I do that and close, what happens is that I can go around over here onto new email right here, and let's just go around and type in the second account, add a subject, add some content right here, and then click on send. And what happens is that it says sending, and it gives you an undo option over here. If you were to click this under 10 seconds, then what happens is that you can revert back and stop the mail from being sent. So if you're in let's say, for example, if you're in a hurry, you send something by accident, then you can simply go around and undo it out. But once you send and the 10-second is over, then what happens is that the email will be sent for good. So you can see that it is sending right here. And if you don't see this anymore, so you don't see this anymore now, that means the email has been sent and now you cannot do anything. But when you enable the undo send option, you do have that window to revert back if you have sent the wrong thing to whoever you have sent the email to. So that is how you can enable the undo send option inside of Microsoft Outlook. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.